The ocean depths hold many mysteries. Among them are creatures both bizarre and beautiful. In this dark world, life thrives. One such wonder is the red shrimp, a vibrant crustacean teeming in the abyss. Their journey from the ocean floor to our dinner plates is a testament to human ingenuity and the bounty of the seas. Red shrimp, scientifically known as, insert scientific name, are fascinating creatures. These vibrant crustaceans are a marvel of the deep sea, showcasing a unique blend of beauty and resilience. Their striking red hue is not just for show, it serves as a form of camouflage in the dimly lit depths of the ocean, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. They are distinguished by their bright red color, even when cooked. This vivid coloration is a result of the carotenoid pigments in their diet, which remain stable even after cooking. When prepared, their flesh turns a delicate pink, making them a visual delight on any plate. Their bodies are firm, with a sweet and delicate flavor prized by chefs worldwide. The texture of red shrimp is both tender and succulent, offering a melt-in-the-mouth experience that is hard to match. This exquisite taste has made them a sought-after ingredient in gourmet kitchens, where they are often featured in high-end dishes that highlight their natural sweetness. Found in the deep waters of mentioned specific oceans or seas, they thrive in cold temperatures and low-light conditions. These shrimp inhabit depths ranging from 200 to 1,000 meters, where the pressure is immense and the environment is harsh. Despite these challenges, they have adapted remarkably well, developing unique physiological traits that allow them to survive and flourish in such extreme conditions. Their life cycle and behavior are adapted to these challenging environments. Red shrimp undergo a complex life cycle that includes several stages of development, from larvae to adulthood. They are known for their migratory patterns, moving vertically through the water column to feed and reproduce. Marine biologists continue to study these intriguing creatures to understand more about their habits, reproductive strategies, and their role in the marine ecosystem. The more we learn about red shrimp, the more we appreciate their resilience and the delicate balance of life in the deep sea. Harvesting red shrimp from the ocean depths is a technological feat. Large trawlers equipped with advanced sonar systems are used to locate shrimp aggregations. These vessels withstand the harsh conditions of the deep sea. Specialized nets are deployed, designed to minimize damage to the seabed and reduce bycatch. Red shrimp are primarily nocturnal. They rise from the depths to feed under the cover of darkness. This behavior dictates the timing of the harvest. Fishing operations are conducted at night when the shrimp are most abundant and easily caught. This minimizes disruption to their natural rhythms. From ocean to processing aboard the fishing vessel. Once caught, the shrimp are immediately brought on board. Here, a well-coordinated process of sorting and processing begins. Sophisticated machinery sorts the shrimp by size and quality. They are then cleaned, packaged, and flash frozen to preserve their freshness and flavor. These onboard processing facilities ensure the highest standards of hygiene and quality control. Section 6. A global commodity: red shrimp on the world's plate. Red shrimp are a global delicacy. From the bustling seafood markets of Asia to the fine dining restaurants of Europe, their appeal is universal. Countries like Japan, Spain, and the United States are major importers of red shrimp, driving a significant international trade network. Section 7. Coastal communities and the red shrimp, a lifeline of sustenance. The red shrimp industry is a lifeline for many coastal communities. It provides employment opportunities supporting families and local economies. The revenue generated contributes to the development of infrastructure and social welfare programs. The industry is deeply intertwined with the cultural identity of these communities, passed down through generations. Section 8. The delicate balance: environmental concerns and sustainable practices. Our oceans are a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to countless species that rely on a delicate balance to thrive. Among these, the red shrimp holds a special place both ecologically and economically. The demand for red shrimp must be balanced with the need for sustainable fishing practices. As the popularity of red shrimp continues to grow, so does the pressure on fishermen to meet this demand. However, without careful management, this demand can lead to overfishing, which poses a significant threat to marine ecosystems. Overfishing can deplete shrimp populations and harm the marine ecosystem. When shrimp populations decline, it disrupts the food chain, affecting not only the shrimp but also the species that prey on them and the overall health of the ocean. This can lead to barren underwater landscapes, devoid of the vibrant life that once thrived there. Responsible fishing methods such as setting catch limits and using selective fishing gear are crucial. By implementing these practices, fishermen can help ensure that shrimp populations remain stable and that the marine environment is not unduly harmed. Selective fishing gear helps to minimize bycatch, allowing non-target species to escape unharmed. Protecting the delicate balance of the ocean ensures the industry's long-term viability. Sustainable practices not only safeguard the environment but also secure the future of the fishing industry. Healthy oceans mean abundant resources, which in turn support the livelihoods of fishermen and the communities that depend on them. By working together, we can create a sustainable future for our oceans and all who rely on them. Section 9. A journey of flavor and tradition, from ocean depths to your table. The journey of red shrimp from the ocean depths to our tables is a testament to human endeavor and the bounty of nature. These vibrant creatures, thriving in the deep blue, are a symbol of the ocean's richness and the intricate ecosystems that support life beneath the waves. The process of bringing these shrimp to our plates is a complex and fascinating one, involving the dedication and hard work of many individuals. It highlights the delicate balance between our need for sustenance and the importance of environmental stewardship. Sustainable shrimp farming practices are crucial in ensuring that we do not deplete this valuable resource. Scientists and marine biologists work tirelessly to monitor shrimp populations and the health of marine ecosystems, ensuring that our methods of harvesting do not harm the environment. This careful management helps maintain the biodiversity of our oceans, allowing future generations to enjoy the same bountiful harvests. As we savor the exquisite flavor of red shrimp, let us remember the intricate web of life that sustains this precious resource and strive to protect it for generations to come. Each bite of these succulent shrimp is a reminder of the ocean's generosity and the responsibility we bear to preserve it. From the fishermen who brave the seas to the scientists who study marine life, and the families who gather around the dinner table, we are all connected by this journey. By choosing sustainably sourced shrimp, we contribute to the health of our oceans and the well-being of communities that depend on them. Let us celebrate this connection and commit to practices that honor and protect the natural world, ensuring that the journey of red shrimp from ocean depths to our tables continues for years to come.